Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I auto warm up multiple Instagram accounts just like a normal user with my software. So here you can see that I already log into multiple Instagram account like this. So to log in multiple Instagram account, so I will go to account management. So with this function, I can add and manage a limited Instagram account that I want. So I can choose that account like this, and I can choose login, and I can log in account multiple account in the same time. Okay, to warm up your account and make your account just like a normal user, I will go to account interaction. So in here, I can choose the account that I want. So next, I will choose a script and make the script that I want. So in here, you can choose the iteration like about general iteration, interaction with keyword, or interaction with account. So here in here, I can choose about like read notifications, scroll new feed, scroll reels, scroll story, or scroll explore. So after after I have the script that I want, I will press save, to save my script. After I have my script, I will press start and let the software do work. So here you can see the software will auto open the browser like this. It will auto warm up your account with the script that I already set up in the software. Okay, so basically I should show you how I warm up multiple Instagram account with my software like this. And if you need this software or more information, you can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos about automation software. Thank you so much.